When you go... when you... What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's the JuneBug Rally. There it is, Old Volks TV. This is a 2020 Jetta AC. So we're done. We're going to Top Notch. We want beer and hamburgers. Did you have?
We had a great time.
You're not even staying for the party?
We cut corners, got here early, ate our burgers, but no, we got a sick puppy actually.
Oh no!
Got car sick during the rally, so.
Oh, it's so better to just go ahead and drive with that sick puppy
exactly.
and stay parked. Brett, make a funny face. Oh, you already were. All right, we're at the finish line. Oh, what are you doing here? You're not part of the gang anymore. You don't even have a car. What a dick, right? I'm sorry. Oh, look who it is. Pull through and give him your packet. Oh, he did it! How was it?
Great, man, we killed it.
You didn't get fun? You didn't overeat? You're not dead?
No, we're not dead.
No, alright, you're overeating though. You're smoking pretty good. Alright, find the spot to park. Drive around and you can park in the spot right there. Keep waving it, keep waving it. Woo!
All right, good job, thank you. Number 8.
We did not finish.
Oh, you're not supposed to
Then I don't say that. Just say number 9 and we'll just know we don't know what happened. Number 9.
Yay, we've done.
Number 10.
I know he does what he wants.
Hell yeah, Bay Area.
How was it, Dave?
It was great. It was a fantastic route. Had a good time. And don't forget, Bay Area Dave does what he wants.
He does what he wants. Hey, look who it is!
Congratulations.
Oh, thanks, buddy. There you go. I had to get my to-go order. That's a thirsty boy right there.
Well, yeah.
Do that for Mark. We miss you, Mark. Yeah.
I'll take this one.
All right. Nah, that's all right.
That's yours, huh?
Sure? Yeah.
You bought 6-pack?
Sure. Thanks, buddy. Dude, we're good. Really? What's up, man? Hold on, it's tradition.
Dude, thank you, bro, for the freaking magazine, dude.
Oh yeah, that was a good picture, huh?
Times, bro.
That was a good picture. You leaning out the window.
Yeah,
I was like, make
dude.
sure that goes at the top.
For sure. Do you have any with you or no?
No, I haven't even had mine yet.
Congratulations, bro.
Oh, thanks,
baby.
Like it, but it's today is bad. All right, tell me what happened.
So, doing JuneBug, you encounter situations in which,
by the way,
in which you may have to do some special driving. So what we did was, on the stop where there was the bumblebug, we had to find the logo on the shifter. There's a little patch of cactus. We were turning around in the road, and we might have killed a cactus or two, and might have run some red lights, and ran over stop signs. Or not ran over stop signs, ran over little poles in the road, ran over curbs, but what can you say? It's hazard kind of driving.
Look at this, how about that? There it is. Hey, Old Volks TV.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
There you go. That's cheating when you bring your own fans.
Hey, we don't cheat. We're just in trouble with the law. The Duke's are honest people. I'll vouch for it.
Liar. Liar. Aha.
Hey, do you know what I'm doing? I'm taping up my shoes because the heat made them come apart.
You're gonna win anyway.
I know, but I can attempt. It's called Don't Stop Until the Very End.
Don't
Just keep
stop
on
believing.
trying. Just keep on trying.
You're drunk from
Even
moonshine.
if you have to tape up your shoes.
Let's see what you get. Oh, you get new dimensions. I hope you have a record player. So this one right here is always a truck competition. This is the
She don't need this. See, what is she, pregnant or something?
You want to go fast, and you also want to look like you're going fast. The raciest Volkswagen is.
Oh, there's other stuff in here. Oh, hell yeah. Broken flashlight.
Raciest Volkswagen. You get
Old ass Chilton's book with the price still on it.
Sensei thing.
Yeah.
And
Get you a burrito.
bubble, always a good time. There you go. Let's see what else.
Awesome.
Raciest Volkswagen.
My first
Look at this. Music from
JuneBug.
Gun.
Alice.
In that regard, ladies and gentlemen, the Dukes of Hazzard in Julie Here they are, the whole crew. That could that could be, don't laugh, your mama might be in here too, or your daughter might be in here, your mama might be in here, everybody might be in here. Let's see. You get y'all, this will definitely increase y'all's look right there off the bat. Heated socks, not sure why, but that's good. But best dress, Mrs. Doubtfire, there you go right there, congratulations. Burnt rubber Scentsy. A flashlight, so you have to work on something. And, oh wait, let's see. Yeah, right here.
The black tar melted.
A sewing kit for best dressing event costumes next year, and a fog light. Congratulations. 2021 JuneBug Rally champion is driving a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only Bay Area Dave! JuneBug Rally champion!
Oh, no.
You're gonna take this home again!
I'm glad this is going to be in your lap.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Nice!
How you going to get it home?
Moment. When do we start this? I'm looking for Daisy Duke. Is there a Daisy Duke available? Where's Daisy? Come here, Daisy.
This is ridiculous.
Come here, Daisy.
Pick it up. It's not light either.
Oh.
No, it's not.
Come here, Daisy.
Holy crap.
Hopefully I can walk with this.
Oh my God.
Where are you going to put that?
I can't get them all.
That's all right. She's here. Okay, here. We're good.
That's why I'm here.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alice. Happy birthday to you. Make a win! Yay! You're super old.
That's badass. That's so fun. Dude, I'll go low like this. We'll do a little low rider. Okay. Alright, that was it. The JuneBug Rally 2021, top notch. Boy, we had fun. It was super hot.
When we got out of the AC.
Yeah, once we got out of the AC of the Jetta. But that was a super good time, man. Everybody had fun today. There was no issues. Nobody broke down. Nobody got pulled over. Nobody went to jail. We actually won a trophy for newest vehicle with the 2021 Jetta with AC. You always have to put that qualifier in when you go to an air-cooled event, that you actually have air cooling inside the cabin.
Best kind.
So yeah, this will be super fantastic. Look for coverage of this in Volksmania, I think number 9. Yeah, I think it'll be a number 9. And grab you a t-shirt from whatever the Teespring link is down below. Check us out at all our wonderful friends all around here. Just throw a .com at the end of any of these. VW Radio, Volks America, Volksmania, the VW Network, good old Mike. And I think that was all of them. And then what do we say at the end of the videos?
I don't remember.
Oh God, you're the worst.
I am the worst.
Thanks for watching.